Welcome back guys to another video. Today I've decided to do something different that I've not done before, and that is a bit of a point of view sort of drive with the Focus ST. Now before I do any of that, I need to just fill up my tyres because the TPMS sensor came online, and I also need to fill up my car with some Shell V-Power petrol. I have never done this before, so I don't know how good the lens, how good the wide angle, you know, the filming from my head. I got one of these GoPro knockoffs. They are really good quality. They're recording 60 FPS, 16:9 as well. They are. I've been speaking to a friend who lent me this some time ago, and he said that it's a wide angle, sort of 170 degrees, but you can compress it and change it to a slightly more of a narrow angle with some software. So I'm going to use this. In between, obviously you've got this face-to-face sort of interaction, and there'll be a little cinematic clip at the end. I just want to show you guys what it's like to drive this Focus, with it being sort of 300 horsepower, 500 plus newton meters of torque, and just to show you what it sounds like and what it's like on the road. I know a lot of you guys enjoy these sort of videos. So many YouTubers are doing this, especially in the States. There's not really many in the UK that do this. Just a point of view sort of drive somewhere with a bit of an interaction. So I just thought I'd do that. Anyway, that's for the intro. Let's go get some petrol and fill up my tyres. Okay, so I've just gonna open the squeaky window a little bit and we'll go for the drive. I love the sound of this car. Take it steady and let the engine warm up. The first thing is we need to go to BP because they take card, contactless, and I ain't got no cash because of Corona. So go to BP and do the tyres from the little tyre pump, and then we'll go to Shell and put some V-Power in for our little trip to the peaks. Oh, I've got my credit card with me. $145.9. That's the flavour of the week. Check that out. Let's go pay out the window. Right, that's paid. I literally cleaned the car yesterday. What is it about British birds? So yeah, now we have 180 miles of fuel. I will need at least 40 of that for this trip. We are not far, but I might as well give you a little bit of a glimpse of the views here. I mean, they look awesome. So there we go, see? I mean, at that point, you don't see what's underneath the hill there. To me, that's not sensible. this area, the actual nature here, reminded me and my friends back when we were younger. If you know Lord of the Rings and you've seen the Lord of the Rings franchise, especially the second and third films, this area reminds us of Rohan. We've always thought that it looks just like Rohan, so that's what we call it. It's not the peaks, it's not Woodhead Pass, it's Rohan. Oh, that sounded nice if you guys heard that. Nice chopper. So I'm gonna, since we're a bit stuck here behind this big lorry, I am going to cut through to the next bit, which is the actual hill climb and the main point and focus of this video. Actually, I just decided before I do that I just filmed this part of the Woodhead Pass. So this is towards Manchester way, from sort of Sheffield and Barnsley side of Yorkshire and Peak District, and the views here are just, I mean, look at it, it looks incredible. And there's nothing here. There's nothing here, and I suspect the reasons for that is because there was never any trees here, so civilization, since going back to medieval times and Stone Ages, you couldn't really build, you know, a village, let alone a town in an area like this, which is why it's just farmland. I mean, here is another example. It's just an absolutely gorgeous valley, which is probably slightly obscured with the dirt on my windows, but it is a drop down there. It is quite a drop, and you might be able to see here in this gap. And you can go here, you can go down here and park, and you can go in all these areas. You can go for a walk, even back there you can go for a walk, and there's some little waterfalls and a little sort of river. It's stunning. Peak District is actually stunning because there's so many different parts and looks of the Peak District. It's just, it's great to live near it because these roads and the views are just, in a word, stunning. So now we are nearing the hill climb. It is just round here. As you can see, there's a little turn off, but it's steep and at a really weird angle, so thankfully there was no one there waiting to get out, because that would just make it difficult for the car to get up there. So the hill climb doesn't start here yet. It's an awesome road to drive on. The hill climb actually starts over there where the white van came from. It's nice, you know, the roads are quite narrow and there's a steep fall off. You just have to make sure you don't go up like an idiot. You know, you can put your foot down and enjoy it, but here we go. You have to make sure it's done in a safe way. It's awful because you never see what's on the other side. brakes. That bit's always awful. And slow up here I shall be. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Hillclimb. There's parking space here. You saw the other two little parking areas down there. And there's another one just here, which is the main one where everybody goes, as you can see. Seems to me they're putting a gate in because they don't want people coming here anymore, sadly. But look at the view. I mean, this is just, I feel like this drive hasn't been about the car and the ability of the car and like just the sheer pleasure of driving it for the video. I think it's just been me just absolutely OMGing at the views of the Peak District. But am I wrong? Tell me I am wrong. The views just aren't incredible. Guys, if you're from down south, or even Scotland's got amazing views, I know that for sure. I haven't been, but from what I've been told and from what I've seen, I understand it's absolutely incredible. But if you're from down south and you don't have anywhere like this, I've got a few friends down in Littlehampton and other areas, and they don't have anything like this there. Not in this sort of way. And you know, if you're from down there and you ever come up here, you need to go out for a full day in the peaks walking. And even then, you won't be able to see anything compared to what you actually can see. So this whole video has been an advertisement for the Peak District. Yes. So anyway, guys, that was the Holmoss Pass Hillclimb, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So guys, I've still got a little mark here from the GoPro. I've just been looking over the footage. The camera picks it up, but it doesn't play back the sound very well, so I will have to see how well it is on the computer. If it's a bit distorted, I do apologise, but it's not a full-on GoPro. It is an SJ cam, which is a rip-off of a GoPro. But I think it will do the job. I think it does the job recording-wise. It looks pretty decent, actually. 1080p, 60 FPS, 16:9, so good ratio, all that sort of stuff. Now, I am going to sign off here. I've just backed up on the side to make sure that I got all the footage I needed, because yesterday I came out, believe it or not, I think I've already mentioned this, but I filmed everything in a 2-second time lapse. So all the time I spent it out here, besides the cinematic clips that I did of the car with the main camera, everything else that I did with the drive was completely pointless. So I had to get out again today to redo it. So I've done it now. I'm going to edit it tonight, and it's going to go live at some stage. Obviously, when you guys see it, please like, comment, share and subscribe. It would go a long way. I decided just to do something different, and a lot of people enjoy these sort of point of view drive videos, so I never know, I might tap into something that I might really enjoy doing rather than just sort of fitting videos. And I might put this into car meets and car events and car shows this year once they all resume again. Also, curtains, 90s, come on, who doesn't like that? I need a haircut desperately. So yeah, if you guys really enjoy the video, please like, comment and subscribe. That'll be great, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.